Hello. In this video, we're going to explore how to upload a Trupeer video on YouTube. To begin, please select the video you'd like to add to your chosen YouTube content. After selecting the video, click on the download option and download the video in the MP4 format. Once it's downloaded, head over to the YouTube channel where you wish to upload your video. When you're on the studio page, click on the Create option. This will present you with further options. From there, choose the Upload Your Videos option, and you'll be ready to upload. Now, drag and drop the files from your file manager. Once you've selected the file, you'll be directed to a page where some required details need to be filled in. Enter the necessary details according to your requirements. After completing the details, click on the next option and fill in any additional required information. Once you're done, hit the Save button. Now you'll see that your video has been successfully uploaded to Trupeer on YouTube.